Are you employing digitized processes to streamline your company's functions? Are you ready to unlock the boundless potential of your business in the digital realm? Introducing our Digital Transformation Strategy Roadmap, your best bet to master the art and science of going digital. Use this presentation template to create compelling strategies that propel your organization forward. Download this powerful presentation template to give your organization the much sought-after digital push. Use this presentation template to create compelling strategies that propel your organization forward. Accelerate your business towards growth with the driving forces of digital transformation. Welcome innovation, harness the power of data-driven insights, leverage agile methodologies, and cultivate a customer-centric mindset. With this PPT layout, you can do all this with ease. Build an actionable digital strategy roadmap in 4 easy steps. Start with consolidating your business foundation, roll out top priority services, focus on expansion and diversification, and realize your full potential. Get our Digital Strategy Roadmap PPT template and carve out a thriving future for your business today. Everyone fancies digital transformation, but one must be aware of the challenges ahead. Lack of connectivity, technological gaps, workforce training hurdles, organization culture clashes, security fortresses, and capital constraints may block your path. Revitalize your digital landscape with this Vitality Dashboard. Harness the power of strategy, unlock insights, align your organization for success, and deliver exceptional customer experiences. For more such business-related presentations and templates, visit www.slideteam.net.